Say what you want. I'm a Law and Order fan, especially SVU. I mean, I record it, okay? And Law and Order reflects loyalty. It has a strong, loyal following. Its customers are its viewers. It's one of the longest running series on TV. I think it's like 20 plus years. And its success has led to other spin-offs of Law and Order. And maybe, I'm just saying, I might watch some of those too. They create loyalty through engaging communication, like episode teasers, the way they roll those out, and storytelling, the way they do that in the shows, etc. Then there's also the element of surprise that creates loyalty and gets people to watch and drives engagement, right? Like, while there's also the things that are consistent and keeps fans coming back, like the characters, the tone of the show, and relatability to the audience, there are always things in the show that catch us off guard. If you watch it, you know what I'm talking about. Elements of surprise that add to engagement. You also have consistency, like the things I mentioned. Those things build trust so that the viewers know what they can count on, so they know they're not going to be wasting their time when they watch the show. Because I can't stand to watch something and it's wasting my time. Sometimes they do those crossover show events to create a different level of experience to impact engagement and retention. Those who watch faithfully, and it's got to be like millions if the show's been on for 20 some years, because if you don't have enough of a loyal following, they will cut your show in a minute, no matter how long it's been on the air, right? Those people feel like they have built relationships with certain characters over the years. They can start to feel like they know some of those characters personally. I'm speaking for a friend, Loyalty for businesses should feel the same way. You should feel like you've started to build relationship with your customers. You started to know some of them personally, and not just because you've read their name in some of the communication or the credit card statement. Whether you've physically met them or not, you should feel like you've started to build relationships. There should be some type of trust that has been built as well, right? There should be similarities in what I've just talked about with your business and your target audience. Loyalty can and should be created in every industry relative to your target audience, and it should continually be taken to the next level.